it's Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I wanted to walk you through kind of my process for selecting stickers, coordinating, and getting them ready so that I can plan for the week ahead. What I typically do is start with a theme or an idea. Sometimes it can be, like I want to use this sticker book or there's a quote I love. If it's for a holiday that's coming up, a lot of times, I definitely have a theme for holiday pages and that sort of thing. But for this week, it's an everyday week, and I decided I wanted to use this sticker sheet. So what I did is I grabbed a couple of books that I looked at the covers and thought, okay, these could probably match. I haven't gone through them because I wanted to show you exactly, the process of what I do. So I've got my sticker sheet and I'm going to kind of keep it handy here, and I will start with a sticker book, and I just kind of flip through it to see if anything matches, if I kind of want to, go that route. And what I do is I've got a sheet of like sticker back paper. So you can buy sheets like this of sticker paper, and it's just the side that the sticky sticker won't permanently stick to. Does that make sense? You can buy them online, like on Amazon. I actually just use like the backs of Avery sheets or different things that I have. I don't actually go buy them, but I know people do. You can use them if you want to organize your stickers. For example, I have a stack of these and I can have them ready to go with stickers for a specific theme. So that's something you can do kind of ahead of time. It's also a good activity you can do, like if you're just watching TV and just kind of relaxing, you can grab a couple sticker books and make some of these kind of, theme sheets. So let's see, the first thing I'll do, let's go ahead and start flipping through this one and see if anything catches my eye. Now, one thing I will mention, a lot of times I do put a bunch of stickers on here and then realize I want to go in a, kind of different direction, and I don't use all of them. I do put them back. Some people just toss them. I can't do it. I put them back in the sticker book. So I usually keep like the 2 or 3 sticker books that I'm going to flip through handy so that when I'm done, I can put them back if needed. All right, so I felt like this really went with the style and colors as well. This is really pretty. So I might want to see what else is in the book like this, because I feel like it goes with the purple and it brings out the pink and as well as this rust color. So this one is looking really good. I mean, honestly, all of them match. So I just kind of have to see like what vibe I want. So far, I'm really liking this one. So let's see what else is in this sticker book. And I usually just flip through, like I could use this square. It's got the purples. It kind of mimics that. This is really pretty, but I don't know. There is yellow here, but I'm not sure if I want to, pop that. This is really good. I like this one because it doesn't have the foil. So I just kind of flip through. And once I kind of decide on which way I want to go, I'll start grabbing stickers that look like that. So there's some quotes there. We've got some of these as well. Let's keep looking. Those are nice, but I feel like they're not the right tone. Now these look really good. Now I can see how they look with. So we've got these purple, blue, and white flowers. I mean, they're not the same floral, but those probably are the same, right? Yeah. I just don't know. I don't really like beige. Okay, these might be really good. I think these are them. I'm not a fan of when they've got color around the edge. I mean, white, yes, because it's on a white page, but I just don't typically like it the other way around. Okay, and these two. All right, I think I want to go that route. Oh, wait. These are good too. This is so hard. See, this is what I spend forever doing. Okay, and then we've got some washi as well. All right, let's start pulling some of these. I definitely want to use some of these flowers. So what I'm going to do is just put a couple on my page. So I'm going to grab this one and I'll just put it down. And maybe this. And I'm really just kind of sticking them down and getting prepared to plan. I want to use this because it brings out that rust color. We've got the plum. I'm going to grab this extra one here. And I'm just going to kind of fill this page up. There's not blue in my sticker set, but I really liked the pattern the way it was with the blue. So right now I'm just grabbing all of these for a reference, just so that I've got them and see how they look with what I'm planning on doing. I think it's going to work out good. Okay, so I've got those so far. I might grab these little ones. And I think I want to grab, there were some other ones over here, and I want to see if these go. These are smaller. So this, see, it may end up that we go with these. I feel like I just kind of want to have them out. And because this is sticky paper and this is sticky paper, it just goes right back in. One tip, if you do want to put your stickers back in, a lot of times I will take off, see this little backing? I'll just show you an example. I usually peel it off if I am going to be placing a lot of stickers that are harder to match up the edges. I'll take this off, toss it, and then I've got like a free space to put the sticker back in. So I wanted to put this here just to remember that these are options as well. I might grab an extra little cluster. Okay. And then I'm going to keep, oh wait, see, there's too many options. I feel like I shouldn't go blue. I don't see blue in my little theme, and I feel like these go better. So I love these though, so I'm going to have to use those for sure soon. Okay. And I know this has the blue, but I feel like this one better. I'm going to grab this little strip of washi to keep this in mind. So I'm kind of just placing things so that I can use them. All right. Whoops. There was a lot with the blue that were really, I mean, they were really pretty. We'll see if we incorporate blue or not. We've got a lot of boxes. I feel like I want plain boxes and really accentuate the florals. So I think I'm gonna wait on that. And like something like, let's see. And that one's really nice. And it goes with our color scheme. So I might bring this one out, and it goes really well with the washi. It's easier to see it when you've got, so once you start flipping, you're gonna notice like, oh look, as you flipping, you're gonna see your palette and be able to choose things instead of trying to go back and forth in the sticker book. It just helps me find stuff that goes, because while I loved this one, now it's not, you can see the blues are not going with my palette as well, you know, kind of as before, as what I thought I was gonna do. All right, so we're gonna go with that. I will grab some, let's see, any of these. These are the other floral versions, so I'm not looking at those. But yeah, this, it just helps you see and kind of visualize the direction you want to go. So I think I might even grab this box because I kind of want to keep it pretty neutral. I mean, I could change up the color and do a yellow one, but I really like it looking kind of like a set. There we go. So I've got those. And this is gonna make these stickers kind of pop off a little bit more. Instead of only having the colors that are on there, it just gives it a little bit of contrast. I think that'll be good. And let's see if I like that original sticker still. It's more of the beigey background. I don't know. I think I want to use the washi with the more gray-green background. So I'm going to wait on that one. This Check It Off does look really cute, and I might use it. But we will see. So I've got boxes that I'll probably want to use here. So I'm going to pull this one aside and just kind of look at another one. So, for example, here's another book that I had pulled out. It's all watercolors. And now looking at it against the direction, originally, you know, when I saw this, I thought these colors looked nice together. But now with the direction I'm kind of going, I mean, I could take a quote out of here. But the watercolors isn't the, I guess, style that I'm going now. So I'm going to put this one aside. Okay, and this is Biz Babe. I thought this would have kind of, it has a lot of the same tones and colors. So I wanted to look at this one. And let's put this here. All right, and then we've got our inspiration. It's kind of over here. All right, so again, I'm looking for these tones, this kind of rust. I've added some peaches. The purple is in there, the pops of yellow. So let's see, and the blush. Let's see what we've got in here. I really like these quotes because they incorporate all the colors that we've got going on. Okay, we've got today's list. Now this has a softer, I kind of like the brain dump with it, although I don't love that word. I mean, I don't know. I just don't usually put those in my planner. I do those separately. All right, let's see. I kind of like some of these circles as well. Let's see. So I'm kind of, this would be mixing like the graphic with the kind of more delicate stuff. I like this one. And what's this? You get what you work for, not what you wish for. I like both of these. So I think I'm going to pull those out. Okay, and then I'll just kind of put these here just for some, I like to have a quote in my planner just for a little motivation and inspiration. So those are pretty good ones. And then let's see what else we find in here. All right, we've got power hours, priority. Looks like I've used two of the colors I would have picked for this. I mean, I've got the pastel kind of must do. Big goal. I like these a lot. All right. And I also like today's list. So I'm going to put that there. So see how it's kind of coming together with like just the different colorways and styles. I'm going to grab some of these flags as well in the colors that we're looking at. I'm going to do this peachy color, the maroon, and the like marigold color. There we go. Alrighty. And let's see what else we've got. I love to have a this week list on the side. So I'm going to grab that in this peach color. And as I start planning, I usually leave these sticker books out. I really need to be better with some habits. And I've never used habit trackers in my planners, but I really need to get better about it. So I am actually grabbing these two. Okay. Actually, I'm going to grab 1, 2, I'm going to grab 3. Because depending on where it's going, I might want a different color. And again, I will put them back. These shapes are easier. So sometimes, I mean, you could take the backing off, but I don't always do that with them. But those are kind of cool. But again, I feel like this is a little bolder, and what I'm doing is kind of a little bit softer. All right. So I think that's what I'll do out of there. And I'll be grabbing boxes more than likely out of the first book. Let's take a look at the last one. This is Good Habits. Again, I grabbed it because of the colors I saw on the cover. And let's just kind of do a quick flip through and see if this vibe still goes. I mean, I love those little, okay, I kind of like some of these quotes. I don't typically like foil though. I mean, I don't know. It's hit or miss with me. Sometimes I like it and sometimes I don't. Ooh, these are cool. I like this one. And it kind of goes with our colors there. These are nice. Okay. I think I'm going to grab this goals one. Or maybe I'll grab track for the things I want to track. And maybe I'll grab, no, I'll just grab track. Okay, and then these are boxes and they're very pretty, but I don't know that they're the type. And I don't want any of these prompts per se in my planner this week. So I think that might be all I'm taking from this one. Okay, so the books that I'm going to keep handy when I actually start planning are these two. Because what I will more than likely do is grab some boxes from the sides here, like with the purple, some of this yellow and pinks. So I'll be ready, you know, kind of to plan on the go as I'm ready. You can also pick out boxes and start moving forward with it. But this is kind of just to give you an idea of the way that I go about choosing some stickers, having them ready, and then when you're ready to plan, you're just taking this instead of going through a bunch of sticker books trying to go, oh, there was that one flower that went with this, and you know. So this just helps me easily pick out the stickers that I'm looking for and then go forward. So I can also use this to grab some washi. I might grab some grid washi that matches or some stripes, just something fun, and I'll be ready to plan. So stay tuned to my next video where I will use these stickers in my planner, and I hope this helps or gives you kind of a different idea or approach to your planning. So thanks so much, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I would love it if you'd hit that like, subscribe, and reminder bell so you can get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing week ahead.